Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the hydrocarbons and their structure through these molecular models. Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. The word only is very important here. Okay? Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. It means no other element except hydrogen and carbon should be there. This is called hydrocarbon. There are several kinds of hydrocarbons. Some are called saturated hydrocarbons, which have all the single bonds, or you may also this molecule, as it consists of 3 carbon atoms, it is also one of the hydrocarbons. So one of the hydrocarbon is this is saturated because all the carbon bonds are single, but a hydrocarbon can be a molecule having carbon-carbon double bond. If carbon-carbon double bond is there, it means it is unsaturated. If all the carbon-carbon bonds are single, then it means these are saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes. Alkanes, what I said, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. These are saturated. These all have carbon-carbon single bonds. So carbon-carbon single bond is here. This alkane consists of 3 carbon atoms, and these white balls are representing hydrogen atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hydrogen atoms. So the formula for this molecule is C3H8. A hydrocarbon consisting of 2 carbon atoms, 1, 2 carbon-carbon single bond, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Total 6. There are total 6 hydrogen atoms. So the formula is C2H6. And the simplest hydrocarbon that you have seen in your earlier classes as well is CH4. Here carbon-carbon single or double bond is not possible, so it is also considered as saturated hydrocarbon. It has all the 4 valences filled with hydrogen atoms. A 1 carbon atom molecule is called methane, and because it has all the single bonds, all the carbon-carbon bonds are single, therefore it is N represent saturated compound. It is the prefix used for 2 molecules, and N because of carbon-carbon single bonds. So you can see here, this is ethane molecule, carbon-carbon single bond, and 3 hydrogen atoms are there, C2H6. This ethane molecule can be written as this is called the displayed formula. In displayed formula, we show all the bonds in the molecule. So you can see here 3 hydrogen are forming single bond with carbon atom, and this carbon atom is also forming another single bond with another carbon atom, and the second carbon atom is also forming 3 covalent bonds, 3 single covalent bonds with hydrogen atoms. So it covers our formula. Similarly, if a molecule consists of 3 atoms, 3 carbon atoms, so it is called propane. The prefix prop is used for that represent 3 carbon atom, and N represent that all the carbon-carbon bonds are single, as you can see here. All the carbon-carbon bonds are single. We can draw it like this. This is the displayed formula for propane. This is the propane molecule. Here also you can see that all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds. Therefore, this N represents that it is saturated. It is one of the alkane.